Hey guys, how you all doing? I want to introduce you to the greatest weapon ever gifted to human race, which we all know as truth. But this is the time to unravel what actually truth is. We have heard about this word truth, always since our childhood, but we do not know what actually it is. I am going to tell you this is the greatest powerful weapon ever created in this universe which can destroy all the dark forces, and it has been with us for millions of years. It was gifted to human race by advanced spiritual aliens to use it when the time is right, and I believe the time has come for us to use this greatest weapon ever created in this universe, which we also relate it with God. It is more powerful than the Death Star ever could be. It is more powerful than what Stargates can do, which is hidden from humanity, because we don't need power like Death Star or Stargate when you have the power of truth. I know this will sound new agey, but we will dissect truth like never before, guys. You will be shocked how powerful this thing is that you can use it to stop the reincarnation cycle. Only reason we have been reincarnating again and again is because we do not know what actually truth is and how to use it to destroy the dark forces. This is a weapon, guys. I will use the word weapon and technology so that it will make sense to all of us in these times. Otherwise, it will not, I believe, because it was shared to us millions of years ago to our ancestors, but they didn't encounter truth as we are encountering in this civilization. So it is very important that we use truth as it was given to us in these times, and these are the offshoots of truth, what we know as honesty, trust, integrity, sincerity, promise, swear, respect, etc., etc. These are the offshoots of the word we know as truth, guys. But since our ancestors and we were never told what actually truth is, that is the all problems that we are facing. This is the simplest and the most powerful weapon in this universe. I am going to tell you, and you can use it, guys. If we all use it, even 100 people, I only want 100 people to use it, and I can assure you we will win 1 trillion person. And this is information that I am going to share with you was given pre-tribal times. We know the tribes, and we came from most of the tribes in the world, but it was pre-tribal when we were in paleolithic times, when our life expectancy was around 30 to 40 years. But we know how we were put here, because once upon a time during the silicon world and before it, we were tricked. Again, we are repeating the same mistake, guys. We were on a very higher level. We were brought down to this level of existence, and for millions of years we were made to suffer in a tribal way. Tribalistic life is not the right life for us as a human beings who has 2 legs and 2 hands. It is a star tetrahedron shape which is divine, guys. It is not made to be in a cave and suffer. It is to be in among stars and live a blissful life, guys. But we are being forced. Our ancestors were kind of forced, but let's just go with what mainstream tells us about our history. But we know it is not the truth. We were forced here to live in this, but when we our memory were wiped out, and when we started living a tribal life, we developed lot of tribal instinct, guys. But we know what is the right way. For example, in India, many of the women carry water pots on their head for kilometers on end. But once a new technology was introduced called wheeler, they adopted it quickly. because they know instinctively this is not the good way, because this is the tribal way. Once they were introduced to a better way, they immediately took it. But many people will argue, let the tribals leave alone. That cannot happen ever, guys. Tribals are very vulnerable because that is not the real state of existence. Thousands of tribals have disappeared. A greater force, an evil force, can always take over tribalistic people. That is how this universe works. But deep inside, all these refugees who go into Europe never come back. Why? If tribal life is so amazing, why don't the African migrants in millions don't go back after they get the taste of Western civilization? Very few, in hundreds or thousands, come back, but majority, 99%, never want to go back to where they come from. But their tribal instinct remain, guys. This is very very important. We still have our tribal DNA with us, and it shows up in way of spiritual superstition, even new age spirituality, anger, unreasonable greed, selfishness, etc., etc. Is we all have tribal behavior, unreasonable behavior, that is in unsync with the nature, guys. We are not in sync with the nature when we show our tribal behavior. Exactly how the tribal instinct is showing up, and tribal warfare is showing up in all the people at present times. But we are very smart in hiding it, but it is still there, guys. We need to get out of that tribal instinct. Make no mistake, we still have that tribal DNA. That is how we were programmed for millions of years, to act up irrationally when we live in a so-called civilized society. That is why we are having so much time living in a hell called with the social justice warriors, etc., etc. Left versus right paradigm. People are not able to discern what is truth and what are lies, because that technology, truth, was given to our ancestors, because these people, the aliens, came from our future and they gave us this technology called truth to be used when the time is right. And the problem with the tribals are, we were always in fighting mode for survival, because we never had refrigeration. We are always impatient, we are always illogical, because that was how we were brought up, in an environment which only rewards for the day. There was no tomorrow. Most of us, when they get the salary, they totally enjoy it, leave for the day, and totally disturb. We don't have our savings, etc. We always fight with each other based on race, gender, color, etc. Because tribals were, for instinct, for millions of years, kept on fighting with each other for their own survival. So I'm not blaming us for being greedy or impatient or illogical or unreasonable. That was how we were programmed for millions of years. But fortunately, some good aliens, they gave us this technology called truth to be used in future timelines, so that we can get out of our tribal DNA and instinct, guys, because this will totally destroy us. We have hundreds of proof. I will really recommend you to watch this Jayant Bhandari, The Third World, Regressing to a Malthusian Equilibrium. This is a very very good video to make you understand how the tribal DNA acts up in humanity. 90% of human beings, in spite of looking civilized, the best of the best example is Arabia. You would think that the Islamic people, once they come out of Africa and Middle East, will live a more free life, because they are finally are free. But they are doing the exact opposite. They want to control the entire, they want to change the entire Europe into Islamophobia, right? Islamic nation. Why is that, guys? Because the tribal DNA is showing up in Sweden also. There are no-go zone. For that, it is not easy to give up your tribal instinct, guys. For thousands of years, they have created small tribal zones in Sweden, one of the most freest countries on earth. They live among Islamic people, live with their own people, African people live with their own, white people live with their own. Multiculturalism is total failure. We know it was all designed. The dark forces already know multiculturalism doesn't work because they bank on our tribal DNA to show the result in these times. This is the perfect example of how tribal DNA acts on all of us, because our DNA has been in a prison for millions of years, guys, and we find comfort when we are with our own kind, etc. But that will destroy us, guys. We need to make a jump and be reasonable, be sane, be and live on truth itself. Never take the side of lies destroys us. But fortunately in these times we are encountering lot of corruption, lot of lies, lot of truth. We are given an opportunity to uncover truth. Our ancestors, they were not lucky. Hardly in their lifetime of 30 to 40 years they will ever encounter truth, but that was the time they were given that knowledge, truth, but they never had the time to use it because their life was totally about hand to mouth existence, living for the day. They couldn't plan for the future because they didn't have a thing called refrigerator or currency, etc. So that is how ancient this story is, guys. It is millions of years old. So it is difficult, but one weapon which can totally transcend time, space, plasma, universe, any alien is the truth, guys. This is given by someone very close to God itself, I can say. Even if you don't believe in God or if you believe in alien, but some higher force gave this to tribal people, but they didn't know, our ancestors didn't know how to use it. That is why there is Sharia in Britain. I saw a few days back a long march, like there were thousands of people in burqa, like women in burqa, demanding Sharia for Britain. That was the craziest thing. But when you watch this, he's hard hitting, very truthful guy, you will know why this is happening in Britain, because of the way we were brought up, guys. And this was the time when they gave us the thing called truth by aliens, which now it has been corrupted. That these dark forces created all the religions, and we are as confused as yesterday. We don't know. They gave only one thing, guys, truth. That's all, and they might have told how to use it. It is in our DNA on how to use it. This is the right time to use the weapon called truth. But these religions are not our, friend to look for truth. We have to look inside of us. I know inside of us all sound new agey, but just give me some more time, guys. We will really come to know what actually truth is and how we can use it in these times. These were the kind of people who were, taught the meaning of truth, etc. But over the years, even the mothers instinctively know, they will never tell their children, even if they are a mafioso boss. Italian mafioso boss will not let their children lie. Because why the mothers never let children lie? When we know in this world only liars get ahead in life, but deep inside lying is wrong. Why? From where has that thought is generating? We will find it out today, guys. How you can use that thought and destroy all the dark forces around you. Where is that instinct coming for you to not lie, but you lie anyways to get ahead in life, or to feel comfortable and not have to deal with the future problems when you keep on telling the truth. But I am going to share with you, you will have no future problems when you tell the truth, because there is a great parasitic beings that know about this technology, guys. This alien truth machine, future machine that can chip away, that They know how to parasitically take away the truth from you. You have no idea actually what actually truth is, guys. That is why we have white lies which were not used by our ancestors, like in the Paleolithic time, the tribal ancestors, because they never had encountered these kind of situations, guys. This is a dimensional thing. I was just about to call you. Sorry, I'm late. Traffic was terrible. This is delicious. Your secret is safe with me. I completely agree with you. You look great. We always lie when we have a corporate job, when we are taking a sick leave. We always lie and tell our boss, but that is very, very bad and dangerous, guys. We should not even reach a point where we have to tell white lies. It is extremely dangerous to talk about white lies to your friends and family, etc. But we know truth is messy, it's raw and uncomfortable. We have mistakenly, worded uncomfortable with truth, but it is not actually uncomfortable. That feeling you have is a connection to your future, guys. That frequency of truth in your future is getting connected to your body. So just like an electric shock, when you feel uncomfortable, that is what actually makes you uncomfortable when you speak truth. But human beings, in our all sense, our body feeling uncomfortable, we relate it to emotion, but that is not what actually happens when you speak the truth. Your body is immediately connected to your future timelines. That is what the truth is, guys. It is a future credit system. Truth wins always. How truth wins, guys? Wow, where is the logic when we know all the Federal Reserves and Clinton and Trump and all the corrupt politicians and business, they always lie and they seems to be in charge of the world, right? Then how can you prove it? Truth wins. How do you know? We all have felt it, right? Truth always hurts. But why? But we also know truth always prevails in the end, guys. But how can we prove it? Truth always prevails in the end, because we have not seen it yet. Where have we seen truth? Only in folklores and in Bible and biblical stories we have seen Jesus winning. But what about us, right? How can we use this weapon to win in the end? You see, it is not today. It is in the end times or in the future timeline. It is mentioning truth always prevails. You may be losing today, but it is assuring us that you will win in the future, because this thing came from the future, guys. This word truth was of no use to our tribal ancestors, because they live for the day, hand to mouth existence. They never encountered a thing called truth. This was given to us, you can say aliens or angels, to our ancestors to use it when we need it during end times. So we need to activate this thing called truth right now, guys. This is the perfect time, but you should know truth is a credit, guys. This is not a standard thing. It can go away. You acquire truth just like how you acquire money, how you use money for your future endeavors. Exactly how you use truth for your future endeavors and creation of your future timelines. You must understand this very, very core concept of truth. It is very, very important. I will come to it. What truth and luck is related. As you can see, it is like connected to your future timelines. I will explain it. But we have been totally misled. Like, we are made to think that our future is secure through finance. It is a lie, guys. I can assure you, this channel assures you 1 trillion times, you cannot secure your future financially. Only truth can secure your future through credit, guys. You need to gather truth credits to secure your future, not money, because inflation anyway eats all your savings, right? Why does it happen to you? Why we are still, if we are so great in conspiracy, if we are truth seekers, we are in truth frequency, We are conspiracy, we are above the other sheeples, quote unquote. Why we need money? Because this is a parasitic system. This and you, the only wall, only armor is truth, guys. But this is a laughable thing. This is nothing, guys. Fed Reserve and money. There is a huge greater game on play. These are mere representatives, these are nothing. Money and Federal Reserve and Rothschild and Rockefeller are nothing. The entire game in this 3D is to steal your truth away, guys. Yes, it is what it is. They steal your truth, whatever you have gained. I'm sure you have told truth in your life sometime in the past, but it is not working, right? You will think that what blabber I am talking, because you have been a conspiracy and truther and a good guy. You have always used truth in your life, but why it is not working? If I am saying so great about truth, I will come to it why it is not working. Because this architecture of three dimension and Federal Reserve is created not by Rothschild. That is why you think that it is not working. The reason is a parasitical force, guys, to suck away the truth you created. The credit you have gained speaking truth is being parasitically taken away by archons. We have identified, in last few weeks I have identified certain things that chips away your credit, guys. Whatever good karma you can say you have gained by doing good deeds, it is all taken away without you even knowing it. That is why truth is not working. You have to defend your future by not letting the truth credit go away, aka your karma. But karma has lot of negative things, so I will go with the truth credit itself. They are stealing literally whatever truth you have saved for your future use without you knowing, guys. And this whole civilization is designed to chip away the truth. You are not, when you go with your credit card for your future timeline, it is not being used. It cannot, because the balance is zero. That is why you reincarnate. There is no truth left when you become 80-year-old or 60-year-old, guys. Without you knowing, these people chip away your hard work. That is why we have to defend forever for United States dollar and currency made by Federal Reserve. Because all our hard work is been, this is the important information I wanted to share with you. Why truth is not working for us, right? Because secretly these parasites have been siphoning off the hard work they have been done. We have been doing for all our life. That is why the weapon is not firing, guys. The fuel has been chipped away. You will be shocked how these people chip away the hard truth we have done to build our future. How we also know that there are many instances that people cheat death. How? Why haven't, in 2000 years of thousands of people cheating death, why haven't been a mathematical equation? If you can create a mathematical equation to cheat death, then humans will win. I will tell you, guys, I can guarantee you forever and ever you can cheat death if you do this. Because truth is the thing that can cheat death. But before you reach there, your life force is being sucked away. So you are not given the time, you are not given that credit to cheat death. It is very, very important. How we can learn to cheat death? It is a mathematical, it is a geometric equation, guys. Because this cheat death is future timeline. If he haven't cheated death, he haven't seen, like he would not have been able to see tomorrow like his future. So what made him cheat death is the $1 trillion question that we will unravel, and it is in our hands, guys. And you get lucky sometimes. Why haven't been, they have thousands of equations to do your taxes, right? And financial, corporate, and billions to spend for war in Afghanistan and corruption in India and China, etc. Everywhere, basically. But why haven't they figured out how to get lucky? Where is the mathematical equation? How you get lucky? We know now you get lucky how, but there is a one more problem. You ran out of luck, guys. There is a thing. You have experienced it. You may have a winning streak, but eventually you run out of luck. Why, guy? One day you get lucky and next day you run out of luck. How? How the hell? Why haven't we figured it out? This is the greatest equation that humanity must work together to solve it, right? But how we run out of luck and how we get just lucky, it is all to do with truth, guys. Luck is a credit gain through truth. This is, you can write it down and paste it in front. You will not believe, because luck acts in the future, truth acts in the future. When you have gained truth, luck increases. That is why you get lucky. But the problem is, they know how to siphon off your luck, guys. That is why before you run out of your luck, you go away. This is the most dangerous thing. Do not play with your luck. That is why there is lot of lottery thing. You will go bankrupt. You will basically, if you win in this world, you lose in the other. It is as they say in Bible. But you should be, my point is, you should be very careful in trying your luck, guys. Luck is very, very important for your future. Only when your luck runs out, that you go to Federal Reserve and you reincarnate. As long as you are lucky, quote unquote, as long as you are in truth, you will never run out of luck. But they are siphoning off the truth that you hold by these kind of thing. That is why 99% of the time, there are few cases when we have multiple lottery winners, but 99% of the time when you win lottery, you don't do much in your life. No man has won lottery 10 times, 20 times. If you are that lucky, why don't you keep winning lottery, guys? What makes your luck run out? Why only you win one time in your life and you go bankrupt? Here is why lottery winners go broke. Why? Why can't they secure their future through money? What is that thing that secures your future? Why you run out of luck? How? We need to find out, so that we can cheat death forever, because it is a credit, guys. You must know this. Luck is gained through credit. Future is secured through truth, not money. Many in India, but you can do in a civilized corporate world which will be much faster than meditating. If you give blessing, it goes away, guys. If you use your luck, if you gamble away your luck, it goes away. It doesn't. It is a very flexible thing. It is like a plasma, cosmic plasma thing. Luck is very unstable. Unstable substance. It doesn't stick around. You can use it for you protecting your future, but once you use it for something, you need to earn it again. That is why these yogis, in Himalayas, etc., the learned men, they are very careful in giving blessing and curse, because once you curse or bless, you lose your energy, guys. Then you have to do tapasya, like meditation, for thousands of years to get back that energy. But you are doing it unconsciously also. You gain truth in your childhood when your mother forced you to always tell the truth, but you lost it on the way. You use that credit when you are 20, 25. You cheated 2-3 times, but your luck has ran out. Now you may not be that lucky, guys. You could be the next unfortunate victim of, like how MS-70, the last flight, you got lucky that flight crashed and you missed the flight. But you may not be lucky next time, guys. That is why I said, even if you are perfectly healthy, the next flight you may take would be the end of your life. I'm not trying to be negative, but I think you got my point. But how we could make sure that we don't end up in a unfortunate flight? What makes that difference between death and life, guys? That is truth. But these people are incredibly smart, guys. Satan, You can be with him, Satan, or you can be a human, or you can be an angel. These three difference is one of truth, guys. If you keep on lying, there is no standard that Satan will be forever Satan. It's all flexible. When Satan start talking the truth, when he realizes his mistake, he will become an angel. When angel, like in what they say in Bible, when he start disrespecting, when he starts lying, he becomes a demon. Same for human being has potential to go either way, guys. That is what is happening, what they call rapture. You know, you can become an angel, you can become a demon based on your karma, your deed. But that is what the story has been so far. But the future was not defined, because without you knowing, there is a force that is siphoning off your truth credit, guys. They are siphoning off your future, basically. So forever you will depend on Federal Reserve. They are stealing your credit, guys. That is what all it is. The entire archonic deception is to steal your credit and nothing else. The truth credit, because truth creates this armor around you, guys. When your armor is taken out, this technology called truth is what shields you from dark forces. But when the shield has gone away, you are vulnerable to psychic attacks, demonic possession, reincarnation, 9 to 5 job, Federal Reserve enslavement, etc., etc. But how are they able to chip away this truth, what you have gained, and not allow to be a interdimensional being, guys? That is the biggest question, and it comes from this one of the tools. Like, this thing steals 40% of your truth credit. That is why, please, never ever vote. Never ever vote. This is the most, because the structure is not organic. This is created by a incredibly smart archonic being. Democrat versus Republican. They will break your trust. When you put your faith in something and when it destroys your faith and trust, that is why the entire political class lies. It is an architecture, guys. First the architecture was created, then they developed the words Democrat and Republicans and choose the side. No matter where you play in the political game, you will lose your credit, guys. You are basically destroying your future by voting. Voting, when you vote, because we know the entire political theater is a scam. Presidents are selected, not elected. Your vote are not even counted. But that trust needs to be broken, guys. That is why every promise Trump made, like pulling troops from Syria, etc., he has increased the troops in Syria and Afghanistan and Iraq, and he never will build a wall. You can take it from me. He passed a law called DECA, which allows more immigration to the United States. You can see immigration has not stopped. That is how the game is played, guys. So this is one of the biggest scam, to chip away the truth by falsifying your trust. Because trust, as I said, is the offshoot of truth. When you are in truth, when you live a truthful life, an offshoot comes called trust. When the trust is broken, which is what all the politicians in the entire world do, your future is stolen, guys. The job of democracy, communism, etc. is to steal the truth credit, guys. To steal your future. You are giving away your future by voting. You have no idea how satanic and ritualistic voting is. Why do you think they want you to vote when you know they control the entire money and police and military in the entire world? They want your consent, aka to give the power away. We now know how they take the power away. Make no mistake, no Trump or founding fathers of America or India, or they as a laughable thing, as a joke. Kindergarten, the architect behind this thing are not humans, non-human archonic force. They are extremely brilliant to siphon off your good karma or good credit away, to build your future. I can assure you guys, guaranteed, if you do not safeguard your truth, you will never be able to secure your future. This is always in every country, they will come up with 10-point action from Korea to India. The politicians, I can guarantee, never ever will keep this 10-point option. They will never, any politician will never tell you one thing, okay, I will, in 5 years, I will only build the bridge. They will tell you hundreds of things and they will never keep a promise, because the devil is in detail. They will never tell you, okay, I'm going to build a bridge which will be 5 meter long, 10 meter wide. I will use this cement. This will be the quality of, because we are living in a chaotic world and we will think, oh, this will be too much, too much detail to get on with the program. That is why they just give you points and never follow it. But this is not the main thing, guys. Main thing is to siphon off your energy. Please never vote, no matter, you are destroying your future, in short. Because the belt of truth, you are giving you the trust away, and from Obama to Clinton to Bush to Trump, they have all broken your promise of what they will do. Even in India, in China, in Pakistan, every politician's lie, because that is the structure, guys, and this is the greatest deception ever. If you want to win against the dark forces, never ever try your luck, guys. That is the biggest mistake we are making and getting enslaved by the Federal Reserve. Why do you think even being a good guy, you have to work and go back to the enslavement system and make money through dollar? Because you are trying your luck, guys. Never ever try your luck, because your subconscious mind, whatever karma, good karma you do, I am using the word karma so you quickly get it, whatever good deeds you do, whenever you speak truth, whenever you stand with truth, you earn your future, guys, credit system. But you are wasting away your credit by trying your luck. That is why you can cheat death 1 or 2 times, but not forever. But if you can secure your luck, not try your luck, you can cheat death forever, guys. Essentially, you will never die. Meaning you can be forever not enslaved by the archonic system. Your body will, transform into higher dimensions. Because in higher the dimension you go, there is no cheating, guys, because you align yourself with nature more. Because one bad decision, it affects the entire dimension below. So 10th, 12th, 15th dimension, you have to be extremely pure and truthful, guys. Because whatever you dream, it becomes a reality. So in future timelines, only truth prevails. That is why the aliens told our ancestors that truth prevails in the end. Because the higher you go, the end time, nearer the God you reach, you cannot stand the frequencies with falsehood, because false will come crashing down, as has all the civilization. But this guy knows everything, guys. He knows, Satan knows how to siphon off that good karma that you have created in you, good deeds, through a simple thing. I am giving example, there are many, called scratch cards. This is how you try your luck, guys. When the luck goes out of your body, and when you try scratch cards, and when you don't win, that is only half of it comes back, guys. Not full. Like if you have 100 credit and when you scratch cards and you don't win, generally you won't win 99%. But when that credit has come back, you are not getting fully credited to your consciousness. You are only getting 50% of the credit, because you have tried your luck. That is why please never ever try your luck, guys. It is, I know how this sounds, but this is one of the things that is making you cheat the death, guys. That is why you get lucky when you cheat the death, but when your luck rounds out, you die. So how to prevent that your luck never rounds out? By not trying your luck in the first place. But Satan is too smart. He has put scratch card. It is everywhere in gambling. China, you will say, is communist, but Chinese are the most gambling people in the entire world right now. Their income in Macau is 6 times that of Vegas. Like Chinese are whatever thing they have done, I can assure you, Chinese people, if they don't stop gambling, whatever happiness they have gained from the economic so-called development, which we know is parasitic, to make them gamble their life away, they have no future, guys. 90% of Chinese will be forever enslaved, by their social credit system, artificial intelligence. This is the most dangerous thing. Please never play blackjack, which is famous in America. Try your luck. Never try your luck, guys. You need to secure your luck. That is why you will miss the most dangerous flight. You will be still alive. How? Because your luck is with you. You don't have to be superstitious, because we don't understand what truth does to our future. Truth has only one function, guys, and it is to secure your future. From truth comes luck, guys. That is why future is secured through truth, not money. Please write this down. This is very, very important. The dark forces break away the trust to chip away the truth from your life to destroy your future. Very important for you to get this. Very, very important. I have one viewer, he is very knowledgeable. He has told that we know this Mother Earth is getting lot angrier and there is lot of geopathic stress and we could expect earthquake, tsunami. Even I believed it, but it cannot happen when you are in truth, guys. When you live your life in truth, when you know how to use your truth, your luck will not run out. So you will always be in a place where this doesn't affect you. Because Mother Earth is with you. She is not against you. When you lie, you go against nature, Mother Nature. But when you are in truth, why would she, try to destroy you? She wants you to be aligned with her. So do not fear. Even I was into that, but as they say, truth and lies will be separated. Rapture in biblical, a new earth, new earth. But that not everyone will reach there, guys. Only those who live in truth can build the future. It is literally a frequency thing. There are lot of equations involved before a truth comes to your life, guys. You have no idea how much the interdimensional play is when you encounter truth, because our ancestors never encountered truth, guys, because those energies were not available. But right now in this civilization, when the dark force is at his most powerful and wants to take as many human beings to lower dimension, aka hell, as much hell as possible, you are encountering more truth. There is a movement which we all are part of, truth movement, truth frequency. Compared to 10 years ago, the encountering truth has increased. Every day there is new truth being revealed. But those aliens have even twisted this and told us that all truth will be revealed to you in the end. That is not what it is, guys. You have to secure your truth and not let your truth credit go away. That is the $1 trillion information to activate the weapon to destroy the dark forces. You should be very, very lucky in a corporate job. Your job is a structure to encounter truth, guys. Out of 10,000 people working in Microsoft, for example, you would be the lucky, human resource manager to come across lies, so that you can be on the side of truth. It is very, very difficult to directly encounter, truth and reveal it to masses and be on the side of truth, aka whistleblower. But some of the whistleblower die. They can't cheat death, guys, because without them knowing, they have wasted away their truth credit, armor of God. So if they from childhood, if they knew, they have to stand for truth and not try their luck. I can assure you, no power in this world can kill a whistleblower if they have never tried their luck, guys. but without us knowing, we are unknowingly giving our power away to the dark forces. That is why it is very, very critical, guys, to not give your truth power away. That the feeling that you get when you stand up for truth is not uncomfortable. This is a change in instant frequency in your body. Like when you get shocked, you feel uncomfortable. Is how when you speak the truth, there is something happens in your body. Lot of emotions, lot of sweating, lot of murmuring. That is not your fault. The higher your future is being built at that very instant when you speak truth. So please always speak truth. No white lies, guys. Tell as it is. Never lie to anyone close to you, any stranger, no human being. If you have $10, say $10. Do not lie. I am late for because of traffic. Just tell the truth that I am late because I woke up late to office. Just tell the truth. Don't give excuses. You have no idea how powerful you can build an armor around you without giving excuse, because excuses have increased in these timelines, guys. They have created an architecture. This civilization has become full of excuse. They will, the universe will present to you. It will give you truth, but you can walk away from it or you can deal with it. But many choose the easiest way and they become millionaires. Lies have been laid out because in this world, only I can assure you, if you lie, you will rise, like you will become a billionaire. But there is no future, guys. Because no company can live for 200. Maximum, the oldest company, it is 500, 600 year old in Japan. But most corporates merger because of this reason. All the CEOs are foreign. You cannot build a future for your generation based on lie. You will be suffering. You will be reincarnating. You cannot build anything because the biggest problem is people do not believe in reincarnation. There is future life or interdimension, etc. So they think that lies can get them far away, but that is only in this dimension called 3D, guys, which is fast moving into 2 dimension now. Your life is becoming more artificial intelligence. So this is the frequency that comes into your body, which you think is uncomfortable, guys. Please do not fall for these kinds of words. Life is a gamble. This is the trick by satanic forces, guys. Your life is not a gamble. If you think you worship almighty dollar, the Federal Reserve worship the devil. We know this already. You will be forever reincarnating if you chip away. And this, guys, why all these things, inflation, finance, MBA, chief executive officer, International Monetary Fund, Illuminati, Federal Bank, United States dollar, it is all created in this architecture to chip away the truth you hold in you, guys, so that you have a lower armor, your defense has gone down, and then they can make you run out of your luck. That is why this inflation thing will keep on going. I can guarantee you. This channel guarantees for 1,000,000,000,000 years. Things will not become cheaper forever and ever and ever, because most young people base their life on money, not truth, guys. They think that they can build a future on money, not truth. Even, Satan is laughing at that thought because he is a trillionaire. He literally owns the entire money in the world. Why do you think he keeps coming on to us? If he is the trillionaire, if he is the master of the world, if he has everything, why do you think he keeps on bothering you? Because he knows this is a joke, guys. This is to entice you to give away your truth, because many people don't hold on to truth. They compromise truth for this, and Satan is more than happy to supply you. When you move away from truth, you become a billionaire, because he even knows he doesn't like money. He likes the energy that is given by truth. That is why he is after, all conspiracy and indigo child and etc etc. So yeah guys, that is the in a nutshell. I wanted to go deeper, but it will be a very very long video. But in short, there are many examples how they steal your energy, psychic energy, etc. There are layers of armors, but the biggest armor you can cultivate, to cheat death forever. I can assure you guys, if you stop lying, even white lies, oh I am late because of traffic jam, when you woke late, etc., like in a corporate job, you will cheat death forever guys. This is what they are introducing. You live only once. So it is very difficult for the young generation to understand the meaning of truth. Get rich or die trying. This is the stupidest thing the dark forces has introduced. You can't do anything with money. Many in India I have seen, when they are very truthful people, they know when their time is up guys. If you are in truth, if you live a truthful life, and for somehow you have managed to hold on to that truth credit, you call your loved ones when your time is near guys. You know when you are going to die and leave this dimension. That is how powerful you get, because your energies have started transforming into 4th, 5th, 6th dimension. So when you leave this dimension, you call your loved ones. You will not make them suffer. In an unnatural accident, my father was taking a flight from San Francisco to London and his plane crashed. That will never happen to your family. Your family will be never tortured to that kind of scenario. You will know it's not your time. Can you imagine the power? I can assure you guys, you will know when it's your time, when you hold on to the truth and not gamble your life away. That is how incredibly powerful. No being in this universe can touch you when you have the armor of truth around you guys. Please do not play with the truth you have developed by playing into the architecture of these archonic beings. Make the armor of God as strong as possible guys. You will be forever as strong as you can be. Do not gamble your life away. Most of us do not know how to use the truth on earth, but finally we know guys. Truth is sacred to build your future. Do not gamble your truth away, because we only knew this one line. We need to know both the lines guys, so that we do not waste our time and be enslaved. Once I can assure you guys, today is July 11th. July is 13. Today is July 13. By end of this year, I want 100 of all of us. You already know, and I know you are all truthful guys, but we didn't know how to secure our truth. Please do not waste your energy by playing with your luck. Let it go into your subconscious and it will defend you. And I can assure you, you will come across so many opportunities that you will not even have to be a slave, because money is parasitic guys. Money will follow you. You can make so much money. You can be free, financially. But when you run after money, it will not come to you. You have to run after the truth, and the lies and the parasites will follow you, aka money. So yeah guys, I will update this video again by end of this year, and we will all see where we have reached, because this is very very critical to our evolution guys. Truth is an advanced alien weapon guys. So now we have fired it. Now it is active. So let's see in 6 months, in the next 5 or 6 months, where we reach. So please, no excuse guys. Please do not give white lies, because most of us will never encounter bigger, corporate level, more corporate level lies. We will be only encountering small truth, small lies. But we need to work. We need to gather as much as truth as possible from all around us. Please do not lie to your boss that you are sick when you are stuck in traffic, etc., etc. Just tell the truth how much money you have in your bank to your wife or your loved one. Do not lie, basically. Develop credit in your life and do not give that away by playing blackjack, casino, or try or scratch slowly or vote, trusting. Do not trust anyone but you guys. This trusting in some third party god or religion or archonic system of presidential election, do not trust. It is a structure designed to betray you guys so that you lose your armor. Please do not trust anywhere. So yeah guys, I will not extend, it's already a big video, but we will talk about this again by December again, and let's see where we have progressed. Yeah guys, thanks.